Well, the UPS guy just dropped this off here a little while ago. Let me check it out. Oh yeah. This. Oh, it's from Vevor. They sent me a shop for wetback, whatever, that shampooer one. And I guess I get another one. Well, the GoPro battery already had died. I guess I thought I charged it, but apparently not. So the Vevor shop vac. Well, I guess I'll have to check it out here. Fancy. Oh, there's stuff in here. Oh, it comes with a. Geez. I never even, I'm too cheap, so I never bought bags before. Oh, it comes with 3 bags. I never used shop vac bags. I don't know. What's this here? Yeah. I don't know. Never had nothing with that either. I should probably read a little bit about this before I, Yeah, that's fine. Well, I don't know about them, but I'll probably end up, they'll probably be, busted off with my use. Like my chair here. You don't need wheels on your office chair. Not saying they won't work for anyone else, but what's this here? Some kind of adapter. We'll just vacuum that up later. So it's, got this fancy pants chrome. What's this chain here for? What would you need a chain for? Alright, I'll put these wheels and stuff on and we'll see how it works. I guess I haven't put one of those these bags in there, and pretty fancy for me. Oh, I didn't do it wrong. So I'm guessing you just, put that on there. There's a ridge on there. Yeah, it pops over that ridge. Oh, look at me, huh? See, I done messed it up already. I done ripped the bag. But that's, that's on me. Yeah. Don't worry about ripping the bag already. So anyways, it goes on. There's a ridge around there and it goes around that. I don't really use bags, so like I said, never had one with bags that took bags, or maybe I did, I don't know. So it's got that filter, and it's got apparently that wetback filter. It's got instructions, but I don't ever read those because you don't need instructions. Some people do, I guess. I should probably read them. My other shop vacs that I bought from like Menards or whatever, or Home Depot. They don't have cords like this. They got like a 3-foot cord, and this one here is pretty good, pretty long. All the cord. Oh, look at those. Yeah, that's where I keep those. That's where I keep my sockets too. So, you know, I took the bag off. It you know, it's got some in there right here on the bottom, but I don't, you know, there's no point in me using bags. I just undo the lid and dump it in the garbage, but, you know, whatever. You can use it any way you want. You know, I vacuum outside or in one of the vehicles, but you know, it's 5 below out, so I ain't doing that. I got it. Oh, I plugged up the hose. You don't need to worry about that. Pull it right back out. So all in all, I mean, for what it is, a small vacuum like that, it works pretty good. I'll be using it, you know. It's got those attachments and those bags and that, whatever that thing is. I'm gonna have to look what that is, but that other, this here, I don't know what that is. Some kind of filter or something, I don't know. Or maybe it's a bag that you can, you know, dump out, I don't know. And this thing, I don't know what that is. I'll have to look it up. My other shop vacs never came with none of that kind of stuff. It's alright. I mean, it works for, you know, for the average person. Ain't gonna suck up garbage like, you know, me. Just try to, you know, don't put it in, pick up the big things and put it in the can. Just use the vacuum, you know. Anyways, it works good. Like I said, it's fancy chrome and it's got those attachments, but it does work good. I can't show you any vehicles. I ain't got my garage is full, and or else I'd put a vehicle in and vacuum it out or whatever. But I mean, it's a shop vac. It's small and it seems to have pretty good power. So my other one's kind of, it's a bigger one, and it's, you know, all the wheels are already all broke off of it, and you know, from dragging it around on the driveway. Those wheels might last, I don't know, they're kind of small, so they might last longer than mine just completely busted off. So I'll look up the prices and see what they are, and I'll let you know, and I'll put the link in the description. As always, thanks for watching, appreciate it. Subscribe, like, and share. See you on the next one.